How to hard reset Redmi Note 15 Pro. Step 1. At first, turn off the phone by using the power button plus volume up. Step 2. Now hold down the power key plus the volume up simultaneously. Step 3. When the Redmi logo appears, let go of the power key, but keep pushing the volume up. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.